This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Amazingly cared for home with open floor plan and is nestled on a canal at the end of a cul-de-sac. Owners have caught many largemouth bass from the canal, some weighing in at more than 5 pounds. You will appreciate this home as it features newer roof, heating and air system, kitchen with thick slab granite countertops, updated bathrooms, laminate flooring, solar water heater, and replacement windows. The front and backyard are amazing with great size, landscaping and water views. Do not miss your opportunity to make this awesome home yours today. For more information, review the details below.